We are here in Cora Vergel. This is Jerry's Passion. Welcome to my vlog. So this is Cora Vergel at Barosong Tigbauan Iloilo. It's one of the inland resort here. It's one of the famous inland resort here in Barosong Tigbauan Iloilo. It is very relaxing and has a beautiful landscape as well, and may parkingan kamo diri sa salakyan na may area sa parkingan malapad, and where family fun begins. So there's a lot of fun here in Cora Vergel. Yes guys. And then if you want to enter particular, so for the adult swimming 125. So this is the amenities and rates. Ayan. There's a lot of amenities there. Yan na sila. Kung gusto nyo, diri mayari man din sila nga RTW, no? And then may ara sila pavilion and admin office, swimming pool, playground. Oh no, this is so good. Oh, na may mga isda. May mga karpa diri. Welcome to Cora Vergel Resort. I'm eating ice cream upon entering this resort to feel the freshness. Oh, daki-daki, nagalangoy-langoy.
Ano? Balik ko ko no?
There's cottages of your choice. And there's a playground for the children. The children can play seesaw, just like that. It's really fantastic. Raji, what is your comment about this inland resort?
Amazing.
Yeah, I strongly agree.
Cora Vergel Resort is a distinct addition to Iloilo and smart choice for travelers who wish to relax and enjoy.
Sa katabi, sa babaw. Hi guys, this is Jer's Fashion here in Cora Vergel. And that is their swimming pool. Naugta. Kanami din sa babaw. Kay kahangin. Relaxing siya. Kanami. I love Cora Vergel. There's fashion. Swimming pool for kids and adults. Mga kasama.